So do you think people should invest regularly, regardless of what the market conditions and what the market is doing? That they still should invest?
Yeah. So you're saying continuous investment, like
Mm-hmm.
investing monthly versus lump sum.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because the rule of investing is to buy low, sell high.
Mm-hmm.
Well, if you're at your job all day,
Mm-hmm.
you ain't got your phone in your hand. So it's not like you're watching the market, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Right.
You buy when it's high and you selling when it's low, right?
Uh-huh.
Right. Or because it's emotional, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So I always tell people the best way when it comes to investing is a concept called dollar cost averaging. What that basically means is, everybody heard of the S&P 500. S&P 500, you track over the last 30 years, you probably end up somewhere between a 9 or 10% average.
Mhm.
Now, that's not a constant 9 or 10. It's not like it did 9, 9, 9, 9 now. 2001 it did 9, 2002 did 9.
Mhm.
It doesn't work like that. If 2001 the market was up 20%, then the S&P was down negative 15. Then it was up 10, up 15, up 20, up
Mhm.
3, up down negative 3. What that 9% is an average of all the positives and the negatives averaged out.
Oh,
That
okay.
makes sense?
Yes.
Okay. And so if I would have dropped my whole life savings in the market when it was high, and
Mhm.
I had that 21%, because it did 21% last year. Let me move my money over there. That was
Mhm.
last year.
Uh-huh.
You're looking in the rearview mirror. That's the past.
Okay.
But I'm putting it out there, and then when the market crashes,
Mhm.
my 10,000 now 7,000.
Okay.
Now I'm emotional, so I pull out. Does that make sense? And that's how
Mhm.
people lose. So my concept is, yeah, you can put lump sum in, but also you want to feed it on a consistent basis. It's like if you was raising a farm, you're not going to plant seeds one time, water, and just think nature's going to take its course. You're going to go out there and take care of it on a daily basis. You're going
Right.
you're going to check on it. So,
Mhm.
so you want to contribute. And I don't care if it's a $50 a month situation, $100, whatever you can afford to do. You're going to do it consistently every month, no matter what the economy is doing.
Okay.
Because what happens is over time, as you're putting money in, and the market changes every day.
Mhm.
So some months you may buy shares at a higher price. Some months you're gonna buy a lower price. When the market crashes, you're buying more.
Mhm.
That's the time when you really want to buy it. It's like
Okay.
having things on sale.
Yes.
And you go to Publix and I go to that coffee out and I see buy one get one. I want that. Hey, what's your brand you like? Whichever one you buy one get
But
one.
exactly.
Quality.
Yes.
40s or something like
Mhm.
that. Off the wall. But that's the same thing. When the market crashes, your $100 a month contributions, instead of buying one share, now bought two.
Okay. Gotcha.
Right. Okay.
Mhm.
So those are the times when you really should be investing more, not pulling out.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Mhm.
Okay. And so you just got to be consistent. Say, hey, look, I'm going to the gym regardless if I lost 2 pounds this week, lost no pounds this week, or gained back 2 this week.
Okay.
I just know if I do it consistently over time,
Mhm.
something's gonna happen.
Something's going to
That
happen.
makes sense.
Amen.
And-
Yes.
And what the difference with the market is, you can go back in history
Mhm.
and see what's happened through all the ups and downs and the crashes.
Mhm.
And you can average out those ranges. And history just tell you, as long as you stayed in over 5, 10, 15, 20 year, 30 year period of time,
Mhm.
you was always going to be up. It's just like I tell somebody today, if you buy a house today and you take pretty decent care of that house, I guarantee you 10, 15, 20 years from now, that house will be worth more.
Yes.
Right? That's just what markets do.
Yeah.
Right? And that's why all the wealthy people invest in
In
those markets.
real estate. Yeah.
They just know it's going to, right? So
Yeah.
if you're the type of person that I'm putting in and taking out,
Mhm.
you're probably going to lose majority of the time.
Okay.
You just need to invest, stay put, keep money in that 401k, your Roth IRA, whatever it is. You just consistent,
Yeah.
right? Because you're not looking to cash in anyway until it's time to come off that truck.
Mhm.
That's when I need the money now, because I'm no longer working full time for money.
Mhm.
I'm now going to live off that passive income that I created with that $1 million, off that $200 a month I was consistently doing for the last 30 years. If that makes sense. That makes
Yeah.
sense,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I had $135 on my Robin Hood. We was joking about the Robin Hood. I said, so I lost $10. I wanted to pull my little
Right.
$115.
That's it.
Right.
They give me my $100.
That's why I should have coaching and advisory, because
Mhm.
a lot of times my clients know, hey, if I'm not feeling right or if I hear something on the news I'm concerned,
Yeah.
they know to call.
Okay.
Right? And we're going to have that kumbaya moment.
Yeah.
And 9 to my 10, they normally going to stay put. Let me give you an example. When Trump announced the tariffs, I don't know if that was back in April, somewhere,
Yeah.
right? What happened? Right away, the market tanked.
Yeah.
Yep.
It did.
And a lot of people, what should I do? Man, is this doomsday? Is this the end of it? I said, look, just hold tight.
Mm-hmm.
And guess what happened?
Mm-hmm.
You went back in.
After a while, they put a freeze on the tariffs in the market. And I say, see, right? You would have acted emotionally, you would have took a loss. Right?
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So that is important. Is making sure that, and that's the danger sometimes, when people kind of have do-it-yourself plans.
Yeah.
In life, if you want to have success, you ain't doing nothing by yourself.
Right.
I don't care if it's your spiritual walk, you're gonna have some type of advisor or a pastor, whatever your faith is, you got
Mhm.
somebody that you can reach out and talk to.